Now this is the welcome screen of Adobe Premiere Pro CC 2015. It's the latest version. So this is the welcome screen, and now we would go on new, and then we would click on project. It basically creates a new project. You can say here, we can give any name we want. I would put this as edit_01. And this can be the location. It generally means the location where you want these project files of Premiere to be saved. So right now the location which it has been provided in default, I don't want this to be saved here. So what I would do is I would go to browse, I would go to my desktop, I have a folder, and I would click here. Yeah, I would like to save my I would like to save my project file of Premiere here, and then I would click on select folder. So if you come to this, these are the general settings: video rendering and playback. This is the renderer. This can stay as it is. This is the video display format. It means time code, and this is feet plus frames. It generally time code means generally it would generally be in the format of HHMMSSFF, which means hours, minutes, seconds, frames. This would only means frames, and this is again a kind of frame which would only deal with frames and no timings. For these both, this would also display as these both would also display the time as well as along with the frames. Yeah, so if you see, basically this is a video display format. Like this would be the time code which want you to show the format, or rather which like it basically means which kind of format do you want to see of your timeline. It is basically the timeline thing, and it's a time code which would mean in hours, minutes and seconds. This is again coming to this is feet plus frames 16 mm. These and feet plus frames 35 mm. Generally we would generally if you see, these both are not so much user friendly, as generally we edit all our videos either in timecode and frames. Now it again depends upon your customization, what kind of, like I would prefer this in timecode because this is very convenient for the user to edit and it is very user friendly. Now this is the display format for audio samples. Let it be as it is. We are not changing any settings here. Yeah, this is capture format. This is DV and HDV. So this is basically if you are capturing any video from any outside source, capturing like through a capture card which would capture a video, and you are doing an online editing. So this can stay as it is, as we are not doing any kind of online capturing. And coming to the scratch disk, it can also remain the same. It depends again what kind of hard disk you have, like how much is the free space available on your hard disk, so you can allocate that. And suppose right now I'm using my same C drive. If you don't want, you can just randomly select any like C or D or something, anything which you want. And now we would click on OK. So these are the different windows and different panels which Premiere is providing us. So we would quickly see each of them one by one. So starting with this is our project window. This is generally a very important place where all our medias are, all our video files, all our audio files along with images, additional text which will be created, can all be inserted or imported or created here. So let us look. It says import media to start. There are basically two ways how you can import your media. Now what I'll be showing you is importing a video clip to our project. So you need to go to file and then you need to go to import. So I would import a video, like this would be my video which I would like to import. Select the location and then you can go to, and then you can click on open, importing file, import file. So our video has been imported here. It says Portland, Oregon, aerial drone and motion time lapse. So this is basically my name of the video. And right now if I want to see dimensions, or rather the frame size, I just need to hover my mouse over and it says movie 1280 into 720p with 1.0 square pixels. So it basically means it is a half HD footage, as I already showed you, or rather as I already told you, it is a 1280 720p half HD. One cool feature which Premiere Pro CC 2015 has initiated is, or rather introduced, is once you go here, once you do not need to click, you just take your mouse over here and you can you need not even scroll it, you just need to take it from left to right and you can have an entire glimpse of the video. So this is my end and I'm going through the entire video like this. So this is a very cool thing which Premiere has installed or introduced. Now coming to this is my media browser. This is rather a root kind of thing which I can access from here or anything. The C drive, it basically shows the entire hard disk and its contents. This is libraries. Like if you want to, then we need to install the Creative Cloud, then it can be activated. This is info, and these are the different panels like effects, markers and history. What we would do here is we would click on effects to get the effects panel. So these are the various kind of default effects which Premiere is providing. Now coming to this is our tools panel, through which we can start editing our videos. This is our timeline panel, where the media which we had imported has to be dropped in here. It says drop media here to create sequence. And one more thing I would like, which I've just kept, was for importing a file we need to click on file and click on import. There is one more way, or rather a shortcut, which you can, on a Windows system it would be Control and click on I. It would open this dialog box. You can click Control I from your keyboard, and if you have a Mac machine, Apple Macintosh system, you can click on Command I, and then you can import any of the videos which you want in your project.